Hi again. Today we will analyze our past trades and we'll also discuss some good entries that we have also in euro pairs. First one is our short entry in euro franc. We entered a short here, as we said before, from here around this level here, and we say that we will exit on the trend line. So we exited around here, which was a good trade, not bad. I think we are now, I don't know, but I think we are going to, I will enter a long position here, to be honest. Maybe it is a little bit soon, but I will enter because of the fact that if you look here, lower time frame, I will remove the trend line. And if you look at lower time frame, you'll find this gap here that I think price was hidden toward it here, and it just getting filled right now, and I think it is accumulating. If we look at lower time frame, we will see that we have here a break structure, and I think it is accumulating period. So looking at the bigger picture, I think we are going up from now. If we draw our order block here, this one here, this candle, which we also filled to around the 50% of it, not 50, maybe 25. And I think we are going upward from there. And the fact that we also are above the exponential moving average on daily chart, we broke above the 200 exponential moving average, and it's clearly that we are going up. So I think this is a good entry point for a long position, which will look like this. Entry around now, here, stop loss under this swing, and we will target the Fibonacci 1.61. For the second pair today, which is the Euro EUD, we also entered a short position, but I exited a little bit early because our trade was like this. We said we will enter for around this level here. Sorry, it was short position. We entered here, and I say that we will exit here around this. I think I said I will enter exit around this order block or so, as I remember that, but I exited actually early, which was maybe like this. After we hit that order block here, this one, and I saw this candle here after that, the bullish engulfing candle. So I think it may go up right now. Maybe I will enter another short here around this level, but for now I will be away from this pair because it may also go up from here, as I also noticed some strength in euro pairs. The second one that we got it wrong. This one we got it wrong. The euro pound. My bias was short. We said I will short it from here, and I said I will go down there to fill this gap or this order block. But as you see, our stop loss got hit, and actually, I think I analyzed it not the right way or not the best way to analyze it, because as you obviously see here, we are on uptrend. So I think there is no reason to short it, even that it may go from here to go to the maybe the trend line or these order blocks, as we say before. But it is also always better that only take long position if the trend is upward. It's better that you only take long positions, not trying to short it to the nearest demand zone or whatsoever. And I also have seen this pattern here, which is Wyckoff accumulation. Here we have our spring, our test, and then break of structure. So I think the price is heading now to this area, which is the last point of support. And I will be entering a long position here. Here we want to refine it. So this one, this candle here, or this order block, this one. We want to make it more accurate here. So it's around 878, which is also a good number or a round number, um, a psychological number, as they say. So, and our long position will look like this. I may put my stop loss here or even here, but it will be a big one. And our target will be this one, the last high that we got here. So it will be 6.7 risk to reward ratio. And if we make it lower, or if we lowered our risk to under this retest zone, as we can say, so it will be around 14 risk to reward ratio, which is a great one. And we can confirm that maybe with Fibonacci. And so our entry will be around 77 level, which is also a good level, and exit maybe around 2 or 2.38. And of course, you can take partials in between. And that's it for the euro pound. And we have the euro New Zealand left. Here, as I said also before, it may be an accumulation and it may be distribution, but right now I think this here is accumulation. We can see this strength here. It also may be just strength to give us the UTAD and then go down. So it is advisable that you wait and see the reaction from this point. This should be, if this is accumulation, this should be the last point of support. So you look at the reaction here. If this holds, then it will be accumulation with high probability, I think. Of course, there is nothing guaranteed, but you look at the reaction here, and if this got broken down, maybe this level 2, then you wait for the price to go up here, and then you short it, and this time you will be, I won't say 100% sure, but a little bit sure that it will go down. So we will wait and see in this for this pair. We also have the same um, setup on the Nikkei, the Japanese index. I think it's also accumulating. We have this trend line here that's actually got broken, and I think price is accumulating right now. Some people normally buy here, which is the retest zone, but I think the price may go lower a little bit, because if you can see, if you look here, here is the accumulation, and here, as you see here, here we have our spring, and then the break of structure. So I think price will go to retest this zone here and go up from here. Target will be maybe this or this level, which will be Fibonacci level 1.61. I think this one is very good target to target for your take profit, and maybe these two, which are also, as you can see here, is a double top, and above it is also a pool of liquidity. We also have setups for the Bitcoin and also the S&P. Bitcoin, I think we have distribution schematic. Here is our support. If it holds, then it holds. If not, I think it will drop like crazy. And as you can see here, we have this one that took liquidity from above. So I think it may go up here and then go down from there, but we don't know for sure. It may hold, may not. We will wait also. And the same for S&P, as I think if we look at weekly chart, I think we're heading downwards. Here we have our leg that broke the structure, and I will look at daily. And as you can see here, here we have our double top, 1, 2, and then it got broken here, and it also mitigated that order block. You can see it more accurately on 4-hour chart, because here is our order block, and as you can see, we have first resistance, second resistance, and third one went up, and then it's heading downward, as we can see right now. But of course, we are still above the 200 exponential moving average, so it may also go up from here, or I think it may also go down. But I will stay and wait for this index too, as I will also wait for the Bitcoin. We said before that the gold is expected to be heading downward soon. So that's it for today. And if you are looking for us to analyze any pair, you can just type it in the comments. And that's it for today. Follow for more.